Okay, Angela, there's repairing a roof, there's replacing a roof. Now, for replacing a roof, I expect the doggone thing to last because it's practically new. Let's talk repairs. Like, how long should somebody expect a repair to last? Are there any rules about that?
So generally, at Triple Peaks Roofing, we warranty repair work for a year. Okay, but that doesn't mean it's gonna only last a year. Our repairs should last the remainder of your roof, but there are certain things on a roof that is considered maintenance, and you just need to be looking at every few years. The perfect example is your soil stack boot. That boot is going to crack and peel over time, and that's just the Mother Nature does it to those materials. But we do have a great new system, or a great new product called the Ultimate Lifetime Boot, and they're guaranteeing that this will never crack over time. And it's a great product. We've been installing it for several years now and have not had one callback.
If somebody wants to get you guys out there, how do they get on your schedule?
So give us a call at 440-925-0386. You will normally chat with me, and we will get one of our consultants to come out there, provide you with an estimate, and then if you want to sign that day, we will get you on the schedule.
And by the way, those your sales folks, they know roofs. They're not just salespeople. They get some training, don't they?
Correct. Our current sales force right now, we are pulling them off the roofs. So they have tenure on the roof. So they generally have seen anything. And for someone to come out specifically for a repair, they have to have the knowledge to be able to provide you with that quote.
And your folks do. So another good reason to get in touch with Triple Peaks.